Part 2.
Hi folks, this is the Tomorrow's show. Good tomorrow, how are you doing, Quad Cities?
Get off me.
Oh, I'm doing just fine, Illinois. How are you doing, Chicago? Oh, well, St. Louis, I'm just doing dandy. Oh, Sacramento. Oh, San Francisco. Oh, Las Vegas.
I got something on your shirt. Yeah, you do. Look, it's right on your shirt. Look on your shirt. Look on your shirt.
He's looking right now.
There's something. Dang. There's something.
Lower down, there's something on it, but not right there.
Look at that on your shirt. Oh, you looked. Oh, you looked.
See, lower down, there's stuff.
Oh, look at that on your shirt.
Look at that on your face. Ah!
You got a face on a face. Ah!
That's
What's
such a
that
good
mean?
comeback.
Oh!
Ah!
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Count 3.
What are you gonna do to me?
2.
What are you gonna do?
Probably nothing. Ow, ow.
Let me see your arm. On the count of 3, I'm gonna do something, okay?
On the count of
1.
3, you can't even twist it.
On the count of 3, I wasn't gonna twist it, so zip your lips because you're gonna be crying like a girl. Okay?
Let's think
1,
about that.
2, 3.
Don't hurt him.
I'm using my superpowers.
Run, stop.
I'm not even pushing!
Oh.
I'm just like, brain power.
Stop. It looks bad.
Bend, 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 bend. Wow. Okay, folks, don't look at this.
I can. There.
I will phone you
Oh,
with this
God.
cell phone. Zzz. You have a medal with me.
Okay. Stop it. Why are you so violent tonight?
What did you do to your foot?
My back just.
I didn't do
I know. Was I not supposed to look? Look,
That's
hey,
me.
hey, hey.
Faded.
Look at my toe.
Isn't that gross? Hey, you
It's
painted
black.
it. Laura! Mom's gonna shoot your little head off the
don't
bullet.
care.
The bullet. Why did the chicken cross the road?
You get to the other side.
Jokes about
Why
that
did
aren't
you
funny.
rust?
Jokes because I didn't take the amplifier.
What? You can rehearse that?
No, it actually made no sense. I said, why did the chicken cross the road? He said, to get to the other side. I said, death jokes aren't funny. If he got to the other side, he would die.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. That's gross. Don't do it.
Your face is gross.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do
You don't want that picture.
Herbie wants to be a dentist. Herbie wants